Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to test the new speaker from Sony, the SONY ULT FIELD 1. A very nice speaker. I'm going to test it with the Alt button on. That means the extra bass boost at max volume, and see how this little speaker performs. So let's begin. Okay guys, so judging from the sound that comes from this little speaker, I gotta say that the sound is very clear. Not so powerful like a JBL Charge or I gotta say it's equal to a JBL Flip. The bass is not that powerful, but it's warm, it's pleasant, and for the price, I gotta say worth the money. So if you like the test, don't forget to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Still respects. See you next time, guys.